Kindle.
Okay, match everybody up. Be aggressive, Sarah. Aggressive. Does he come with a song too?
That kind of money, you think he did?
That's right. Come on, girls, get your position. Let's hustle.
That's a camera up there. Right?
Jack, let's go.
Goes up 31 feet.
Down the line. There it is. Good ball. Come on, keep it in. Good ball. Better ball.
Okay. Now on offense. Let's go.
Offense.
Yeah, let's go. Win that.
Michaela, that's not your man anyway. That's
Michaela,
Josh.
get to the outside.
That's
You're on
Josh.
offense right now. You're on offense, Michaela. You're on offense, Michaela.
Come on, drive. Drive.
Up, Michaela.
Michaela, go.
Up. Take him the ball right away.
Keep going, keep going.
There you go. There you go.
Savannah, don't turn your back.
Go, Michaela. You got to show and go.
Maddie, go. Down.
Go.
3 of you, please. That's good. Come on. Turn.
That's you, Sophia.
Don't stop.
Come on, guys.
Come on, Soph.
Come on, Jazz. Hard.
Go with it.
That's a good ball, Haley. It's all right. Now recover. Let's go.
Goal side. Match up.
Hurry up.
Turn around and look. Get on the line.
Quick. Let's go.
Josh, you see your man, right?
Watch one
Stop the
second.
ball. Move out the ball. Let's go.
Good, Audrey. That's all right.
Get back.
That's you, Josh. Come on.
Go to it. There you go, Sarah.
That's good, Sarah. Be aggressive.
Go, Mace. Go with it.
It's nice, Macy. Go, Pete.
Come on, Pete.
Nice shot, Paige. That's all right. Macy, good ball.
There you go.
Nice.
Go with it.
Way to possess, Sophia.
Come on, Pete.
Come on, P.
Come on.
Yes, Ash.
Out.
Here you go, Kylie.
Don't play with her, Haley. Don't play.
Turn around.
Keep it in. Get it up.
Go to it.
Do somebody. Participate.
Try to save that. Let's go. Come on, Maddie.
Hey,
Let's
show
go.
and go.
Switch it.
Don't stop.
Right.
Go.
Watch your side, Josh. Watch your side, Josh.
Come on, Josh. Come on, Kendall.
Nice, Kindle.
Josh, you gotta stay goal side. That's why you gotta stay tight.
Good, Kendall.
Nice kick, Kendall.
Possess.
Go to the side.
Possess.
Megan, where are you?
Go.
Keep
Come on.
back.
Hang back.
Dash.
Come on, Soph. Hustle. There you go. Keep her there. That's better, Sarah. That's okay. Call her
Match
off.
up. Match.
Audrey,
Both
match
sides.
up.
Jack, take somebody.
Help her, Marie. Help her.
Go to it. Go.
Nice,
Go.
Kendall.
Come on, hustle. Go over.
Go.
Go, Maddie.
Cut.
Come on, Danielle.
Go.
Ace, come on, you guys start
Go,
moving.
Ash. Let it go.
Got control. Get around her. Come on, Jazz. Now. Down the line.
Come
Go
on.
to it.
Possess.
Go.
Oh, you got it. Come on, P.
Hold tight, Josh. Tight, Josh.
Take it back.
Come on, Audrey. Come on. Go with it. Come on.
Where's the middle?
Good. Down the line.
Come on, go. Hustle.
Let's go. Better work.
Go down.
Take
Better
that.
work. Good, Jess. You can. Good. Pressure.
Nice, Sal.
Mark up.
Do it again.
Watch the middle.
Keep it up, girls. Up there.
Why are we waiting?
Oh, girl.
Come on, wake up.
Now. Now. Go in.
That's good, Audrey.
Go to it.
Yes.
Do it.
You guys are waiting.
Come on now.
Go to it. Go to it. Go to it.
Come on, Maddie. Drive.
Get there, Josh. Go, Michaela. Up, Michaela.
Go, Michaela!
That's a good ball.
Good ball.
Come on, Pete.
Regroup.
Go. Good ball, Michaela.
Come on, Maddie. Show for her. Show for her. Corner.
Okay.
Match up.
Jump this, girls. Jump it. Jump it.
Come on, Pete. Pressure.
Come
Come on, Maddie.
Okay.
Come on, Maddie. Come on, Maddie. And outside. And again.
You gotta be on your toes, man. Let's go.
Come on, Macy. Oh, that's all right. Nice try, Peyton.
Come on, hustle. Megan. Who touched the ball? Get it to somebody. Don't kick it. Go.
Haley, don't play games with her. Let her run
Haley,
herself
right in the middle.
high.
It's coming this side. Joshy, your side, huh? Jump this, Michaela.
Jump it, Michaela.
Ah.
Get through a goal, Joshie.
Go, take it. Go with it.
Toof!
Sophia! There you go. Go to it. Go to it.
Aaron,
Go, Savannah. Kick.
you're only hurting yourself with that touch. Let's go.
Let's go, girls.
Where are we?
Go to it. Go to it.
On the line.
There you go.
Joshie. Come on, Joshie.
Oh,
Match up. Match up.
Hey. Mr. Jack. Get up all over the top.
Let's go. Match them up.
Mark up.
Girls, mark. Ash, mark somebody. Somebody. Right there. So Jack can
good, Haley. Come on, Maddie. Take the ball. Come on, Maddie.
Get rid of it.
Play with it right there.
Ball out. Hey, if you're gonna shoot it,
Come on.
then
Go.
you
Up.
back up.
Turn around. Down the side. Down the side.
Senna.
Go. Go, Michaela. Go. Go with it, Michaela.
Michaela.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Grace.
Go, Macy!
You again, Grace. Megan, you gotta get in the game. Let's go.
Control it. Possess.
There you go, down the line.
Go. 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 Ash, where are you at? Go. Go to her. Go to her. Go to her.
Sarah, come here, please.
Other way. Other way. Ashley, drop it and cover.
Hurry, move. Go.
Ash.
In front of her.
Good, Haley. Good, Haley. Way to get up.
Go to the ball, girl. Go to the ball. Scott. This way. This way. Hey, how about
How about in the back?
I know you're watching the elbows and stuff.
Macy!
Come on, show. Show.
You gotta hustle out there, Sophia.
Match up. John. Never went in.
I got it.
Never went in.
Come on, South, gotta hustle, babe. Let's go. Play tough.
Never went in.
It never went in.
That's not a rule.
It never went in.
Come on. Outside. There you go. Time. Come on. Stay with it. Come on. Stay with it. Stay with it.
Yes, Josh.
Come on, Michaela. Come on.
Good, Michaela. Let's go. Where are we?
Get it. Come on. Get it.
Good job, Kendall. Come on, girls. Let's go. Look alive out there.
Let's go. go, let's go. Go to it, Michaela. Go to it. There you go. Oh, girls, team. Talk.
You guys gotta work together.
Go to it.
Come on, now, James. Now. Yes. Go in.
Go to the ball.
Hold it. Man on, man on, man on. Savannah.
Go to it. Girls, shift.
Yes, Joshy.
Go,
Yes,
Josh.
Joshy,
Go.
that's
Get there,
your ball.
Josh. Nice, Joshy. There you go.
Shoot for her.
Go and go, Michaela. Go, Michaela.
Go, Macy!
Simple. Good. Ash.
Go.
Nice.
Down the line to Marine.
Good hustle, Peyton. Sub ref. Sub ref.
Sub.
Sub ref. Okay, let's go, Joshy. Peyton. Sophia.
Mark up, girls. It's our job. Let's go. String these passes together.
Michaela. Need you to drop back left. Let's go. Ashley. Ash, come back left.
Michaela, play your same position.
Sienna, go right. No, Sarah's right. You go in the middle. Sienna, go in the middle. Go in the middle.
Ash.
Ashley.
Ashley. Ashley.
Left. Over here.
Here.
Listen.
Ashley. Ashley. Left
Over
back right here.
Over here, we changed. Joshy came out.
Come on,
Let's go.
Quick, quick, turn around.
Come on, Ash.
You're playing left back. You're playing left back.
It
Left
changed.
defensive back.
It changed. Joshy needed out. Okay, here we go. Get it.
Get back
Come
now.
on, come on. Get back.
Turn.
You listen to us.
It changed.
Come on, get back. Get back. Quick, quick, back. Sprint, sprint, back.
Don't wait for the whistle. You don't have to. Let's go, win it.
Go to it.
Come on, Audrey.
Shoot.
Come on, get on it, ladies!
Good, Kendall.
This way, Ash. Come to the outside.
Go, Danielle. I know you can hit that one.
Go with it.
Go with it! Go with it!
Yes,
Go, 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 go.
Slow down!
Somebody.
Just talk to me when you're tired, okay? Keep working. Sienna, you and Daddy together. You gotta work together.
Go, show for him. Girl, show. Let's go. Here we go.
Good.
Nice.
Come on. Talk.
Go between.
And let's go. I got it.
Line.
Go,
Go.
keep your feet down. Keep your feet down. There you go. Nice. Push up. Push up. Cover 7. Cover 7.
Yes, Ash, that's right. Up.
Up, Ash.
Come on, Ash. We're not laying down unless we work. Come on. Yes, Audrey.
Both ways.
Go get it!
Go to it.
Run
Go
through.
to it. Ash, you got to cover tighter on 7.
Haley, why are we stopping there?
Go to it.
Open up, girls.
Come on. Hustle.
Outside. Outside.
Go, Chains. Come on,
Go
Chains.
with
Get
it.
First track.
Come on.
Hey, that was a block in the back.
Out to in.
There you
There you go. Way to chase it down.
There you go. Good girl.
Match up. Tight, girls. Tight. Tighter on the matches.
Michaela.
Michaela, keep dropping here. Let her stay back, but we need you back. Keep dropping.
Watch the middle, Mace.
That way, if they get it over there, you're back here to help.
Go, Jazz. Go, girls. Go.
Go. Match up, Sarah. Come on. Whole side. Go to it.
Turn.
Come on, Madeline.
Sarah, come on, help out!
Come get it, Kendall.
Nice, Kendall!
Way to go, Kendall.
Great. Play in the middle. He's playing with Danielle.
Macy? Yes, Macy! Yes, Macy! Play the ball!
Push him up, Sarah.
Thank you!
Jack, push it up, man.
Mark out.
Where's Haley?
It's a kick,
On
right?
the ground.
There.
Where's Haley?
Penalty.
It's a penalty kick.
Where's Haley?
Right in the box? No. It's not a corner, it's a free kick. Stay wide, stay wide.
Get back. It's coming your side, Ash. Come on, Hay, get that, Hay. Nice, Hay.
Sarah, that was you.
Ashley, goal side, man.
Way to be there, Jack.
Go to the ball, girls. Go to the ball. Come on.
Go.
Michaela, go to the side, Michaela. Michaela, sideline. Come on, sprint.
Very good, Jack.
Madeline, that's a lot of work.
Come on, Jess.
Behind you. Haley, behind you.
All right, Audrey, now recover.
Come on, girls. Hustle back and get on defense. You're on defense right now. Girls, we can't let them...
Up.
Come on.
Peyton, let's go.
Now, take a front there and go get it.
Let's go. Come on. Come on, Jack. Match up.
Come on, Johnny. Hey, you gotta step up.
Go. Go, Michaela. Michaela.
That's better, let's go.
Stop.
No, it's red. No arguing, girls, come on.
Jump it.
There you go, Ashley, that's you. Yeah, it's a blue ball.
Go. Nice throw. Go to it. Go to it. Actually, gotta go to it. Don't run away from it.
Come on, run through that ball.
Come on, Maddie.
Thank you. Sarah, let's go. Girls, let's go. Get in there.
Get on.
Put it on frame.
Good.
Watch the middle. Nice. Go, get back. Come on, Jack.
Good, Audrey.
Go, Sarah. Go with it. Go, Sarah. Dribble. Come on, Mace.
That's all right.
Get back. Come on. Come on this side, Michaela. Let's go.
Let's go. Get there.
Watch the bounce.
Win it.
You see it?
Good.
You got the ball. That's on you, baby.
Go.
Yeah. Come on.
Come on, girls. Come to it, Google.
Good job, Kendall. Come on.
Go, change. Trap it.
Hold.
Come on, go.
Cinder. Yes. Oh, right idea, Cheney. Corner flex.
Where's the middle?
Sarah, there's no walking. Let's go.
Run, Sarah.
Sub-ref. Macy.
Good job, Mace.
Work, Macy.
Good job, Macy. Good job, Macy.
Nice job.
Take that. Now, you got his. Now.
Go to the ball. Senna, that's you. Go to the ball.
Yeah, go, Savannah.
Girls, we gotta win the ball. Senna, you gotta win the ball in the middle. Win that ball. Go to it. Come on, Ash. What do you?
Heads up. Come on.
Go, Michaela.
Go to the ball.
Stay with it, Michaela. Stay with it,
Go to the ball.
Michaela. Come on, Michaela. You got her.
Come on.
Savannah,
Come on, get there, get there. Take it out, take it out.
Joshy, Sophia, let's go.
Go, match up. Girls, match up. There should be nobody open. Match up in the middle. Look at the middle. It's a throw-in, it's a throw-in, girls. It's a throw-in.
Come on. Come on, Maddie, don't turn your back.
Get out of there.
Don't turn your back.
Go, go.
Handball.
Go! Go the whistle. Get it.
Come on, Ash.
Let's go now.
Come on, girls. Go. Katie, you got to go to the ball. Go to the ball, Hay. Go to the ball, Hay. Keep going to the ball. Go. Sarah, take it. Go. Take it. Go. Go. Go.
Go, Sarah, go! Take it up!
Come on.
Come on now.
Michaela, to the side.
Michaela, go! Michaela's here!
Come on. Watch, watch, watch. Match up. Girls, match up with somebody. Player in red. Player in red. Right there. Michaela, right there. There you go. There you go. Go side. Go side. Go to it, Jay.
Get ready, ladies!
Aaron, match him up. Let's go. Let's go. First to the ball. Jack, first to the ball.
Let's go, Kendall, your ball.
Come on, Turlock. Come on, Sylvia.
Watch the ball. Watch the ball. Watch the ball.
Go, girls, good choices.
Go.
Go to the ball. Go to the ball.
Now get there.
Get there, Cheney. Go.
Go!
Go do it.
Come on, Chase.
That's yours, good job!
Come on, Sarah. There we go. Let's go.
Let's go, girls. Push them up. Sarah,
Come
push them
on,
up.
Sarah, let's go!
Sarah, push
Sub.
them up.
Sub. Ashley. Senna.
Come on, Soph.
Let's go, Sophia! Let's go, Joshy! Good job, Ashley. Good job.
Good job going in. We're going in the middle. I said Sarah. And then Josh.
Let's go, Josh! Let's go, Soph! Let's go! Play time!
Let's go. Show for him, girls. Show. Watch.
On your
You're on
toes,
offense.
Soph, on your toes!
So sorry about the confusion, but just listen to her. Or say, if you're confused, say, where do you want me to go?
Fight, Soph!
Go, Jazz. Someone's got to go to the ball.
Go.
Where's Coach Roland?
There you go, Jazz.
Stay matched up in the middle. Let's go.
Back in the middle, Sarah. Back in the middle.
Oh, Sarah.
Match up, Josh. Match up.
She's into it.
In the middle.
Good. Come on, take it.
Come on, Maddie.
Now.
Sarah, in middle.
Yes, kid. Yes, kid.
Nice, Kendall!
Good hustle, Kendall!
Let's go now. Let's go.
Go. Come on, hey.
Back, ladies, come on! Okay, girls, get it back! Get it back!
Kendall. Straight work.
Good job, Kendall. It's all right. Go. Let's go. Come on, Jamie.
Move up! Sarah, that's you!
Now fight.
Go to it. Go to the goal. Go to it. Girls, you're walking.
Doing all right?
Turn.
Let's go. Let's go.
Right here.
Right there.
Go.
Sophia, come on. Come on.
Keep going, keep going.
Yes, Audrey.
Sarah, you gotta be up there!
Come on, Michaela, stand up.
Go.
Come on, Pigeon.
Come on, to the side, to the side.
Sarah, where are you? Go Crossfire!
That was great. When it's not fast play.
Go.
Come
on, Pete. Win it, girls. Win it. Keep after it.
No stopping, Michaela.
No. This way. Come on. You got time.
Macy, let's go.
Come on, Ian. Ready. Come on, girl. 5 minutes. Let's go. 5 minutes.
Come on, George!
Sub-ref.
Nice job,
Michaela. Let's go, girls. Go and go. Go.
Come on, Turlock.
Maddie, to you.
Come on, go do it. Nice, Jack.
Let's try the other way.
Going both ways. Go, Sarah, go. Send it.
Ball, Sarah.
Come on, girls, crush. Go to the ball. Go to the ball. There you go. Go, Michaela. Go, Mace. Go. Come on, Mace. Let's go. Let's get it back.
Madeline and Sophia. That should not be happening right now. Let's go. Okay.
Sarah, who you marking?
Come on, Mace. Trap.
Josh, you should be matched up. Let's go.
Go, match up. Go side. Get there.
I got it.
Come on, Josh.
She was in the field.
Thank you. Let's go, Blue. Up here.
Darren, our throwing up here.
All the way up here.
Let's go.
Over. Come on, Blue. Let's go.
Go.
Let's go, ladies!
Come on, Sophia.
Stop. Go to it, Darren. Let's go. Go to the ball, girls. Go to the ball.
Finish this.
Go to it.
Handball.
Handball.
Thank you. Let's go, Sarah. Take this. Let's go.
Go, girls, up. Push up.
Let's go. Flood. Sophia, let's go. Flood. Let's go.
Haley, push up. Hey, push up. That's good. That's good. Hey, that's good. Go to it. Go to it. Go, crush it.
Come on, ladies!
Come on, jump in front of it. Jump this.
I use that to put M&M's in.
Jump it.
Come on, Sarah. Now go.